I'm DRYDEN. I'm the instructor in the Mechatronics program. So Mechatronics is kind of a catch-all term that we use to talk about industrial automation, in specific industrial automation technology. So not so much the design, but maintenance, installation, troubleshooting, that kind of thing. It takes three main fields in our program, would be electronics, pneumatics, and hydraulics. It is a very different way of teaching than we teach engineering transfer or than we teach most of our courses on campus. Our courses happen in these compressed modules that last from 1 week to 3 weeks, and they're from 8 a.m. to noon every day. What they need to gain from this program is they need to understand the basics, they need to know the language so that when they're out working on a piece of equipment at their job, they can say, okay, I don't quite understand how this works, but I know what the symbols mean. I can start thinking through.
You get a deeper understanding of everything when you get both sides of it, when you get the book side and the hands-on side. I've spent a lot of time in work with a lot of these components. It translates from school to work.
Most everything I've been doing so far is directly related to my job. Things that they have said before that I'm starting to learn is making more sense now that I'm at school, and like vice versa.
All in all, it's good. It's a good program. It's a good first step so I can get a position within my company in the engineering group.
I'm excited that the program's here. Our employers in the area are excited that the program's here, and I want students to be excited that the program's here. It's an exciting time for all three of those groups to be able to be kind of making this work best for everybody. So.